Using voice commands has become very common nowadays, as more mobile users use voice assistants like Google Assistant, Siri and Cortana. The system is built with voice recognition software that allows users to issue voice commands. Now, our web browsers will be familiar with the Web Speech API, which allows users to listen to text on websites. With the Web Speech API, we can develop rich web applications with natural user interaction and minimal visual interface. In addition, API can make web applications accessible, helping people with physical or cognitive disabilities or injuries. The future web is expected to be able to carry out conversations like a voice assistant. In this tutorial, we will use the API to create an artificial intelligence voice interface in the browser. The application will make the text on the website can be speech.
Teachers adalah film komedi Indonesia tahun 2021 yang disutradarai oleh Sarjono Sutrisno. Film ini dibintangi oleh Yova Gracia, Estelle Linden, Epy Kusnandar, Helvi Kardit, dan Rizky Mochil. Film ini sudah menjadi film original dari Stro TV yang ditayangkan sejak tanggal 8 Januari tahun 2021 lalu.
The Web Speech API is still experimental. The app only works in supported browsers. The feature used to make speeches from the website is now available in Chromium-based browsers, including Chrome and Opera and other browsers. To install this feature, we will take several steps. Step 1. Launch your browser as usual, then open the URL responsivevoice.org.
Lifelike human digital voices. Easily add voice features to your site in 51 languages in a matter of minutes with the most popular HTML5 text-to-speech API. Includes a voice message editor, accessibility compliance features, a developer API, and it's free for non-commercial sites.
Step 2. Go to the responsive voice login page to set up our website. Step 3. After being on the dashboard, enter the name of the website and the URL of your website. Step 4. Select the features you want to use. For free plan, you can only use 3 features, but if you want to get all the features, upgrade to Pro plan. Step 5. Copy the code then open your website dashboard, to embed the code into it. If you can't find the tag, parse it first. Step 6. If the code has been embedded, then verify. The plugin is successfully embedded when you get a responsive voice URL verified notification.
Your responsive voice code snippet is correctly installed. You may now close this window.
Teachers adalah film komedi Indonesia tahun 2021 yang disutradarai oleh Sarjono Sutrisno. Film ini dibintangi oleh Yova Gracia, Estelle Linden, Epy Kusnandar, Helvi Kardit, dan Rizky Mochil. Film ini sudah menjadi film original dari Stro TV yang ditayangkan sejak tanggal 8 Januari tahun 2021 lalu.